Alright, imagine this. You've finally nailed your investment strategy. You've picked your stocks, you've decided on your allocations, and you're ready to move some funds. But then, a little voice whispers, are there hidden fees? Specifically, does M1 Finance, the platform you're thinking of using, have transfer fees? That nagging question, that little seed of doubt, can derail your entire plan. It's the silent killer of investment confidence. Because let's face it, no one likes surprises when it comes to their money. We've all been there, right? That moment when you see a charge you weren't expecting, and you're left wondering where it came from and how to avoid it in the future. We're going to dive deep into that question today. We're going to dissect M1 Finance, look at their fee structure, and answer once and for all, does M1 have transfer fees? But before we get there, let's understand why this question matters so much. In the world of online brokerages, fees can be a maze. It's not just about trading commissions anymore. It's about account maintenance fees, inactivity fees, and, yes, transfer fees. These seemingly small charges can add up over time, eroding your returns and making a significant dent in your overall wealth. And with platforms like M1 Finance, which offer automated investing and a unique pi-based portfolio system, it's crucial to understand the cost structure. They position themselves as a user-friendly, low-cost platform. But what does that really mean? So, let's break it down. What kind of transfers are we talking about here? We're not just talking about moving money between your M1 account and your bank account. We're also talking about transferring assets from other brokerages into M1, or vice versa, transferring assets out. First, let's tackle the simple one, ACH transfers. This is the bread and butter of moving money in and out of your brokerage account. You know the drill, you link your bank account, and you can transfer funds electronically. The good news is, M1 Finance does not charge fees for ACH transfers. This is a standard practice for most online brokerages, and it's a welcome relief. Now, let's get into the more complex area, ACAT transfers. ACAT stands for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. This is the system used to transfer your securities, like stocks and ETFs, from one brokerage to another. If you're looking to consolidate your investments into M1, or if you're deciding to leave M1, you'll likely be dealing with ACAT transfers. This is where things can get a little tricky. Some brokerages charge hefty fees for ACAT transfers, both for incoming and outgoing transfers. These fees can range from $50 to $100 or even more, depending on the brokerage. So, what about M1? M1 Finance does not charge a fee for incoming ACAT transfers. This means that if you're transferring your assets from another brokerage to M1, you won't be hit with a transfer fee from M1's side. However, and this is crucial, your current brokerage may still charge you a fee for the outgoing transfer. So, it's essential to check with your existing brokerage to understand their fee structure. Now, for the outgoing ACAT transfer, the situation is a bit different. M1 Finance does charge a fee for outgoing ACAT transfers. This fee is typically around $100. This is a common practice among online brokerages, as these transfers involve significant administrative work. Why do they charge for outgoing ACAT transfers? Well, it's about the labor and the complexity. Transferring securities involves verifying account information, coordinating with the other brokerage, and ensuring that the transfer is completed accurately. It's a manual process that requires time and resources. So, to recap. ACH transfers, in and out, no fees from M1. Incoming ACAT transfers, no fees from M1, but your outgoing brokerage may charge. Outgoing ACAT transfers, M1 charges a fee, typically around $100. But this isn't the whole story. We also need to consider M1 Plus. M1 Plus is M1 Finance's premium subscription service. It offers additional features, such as a second daily trading window, smart transfers, and a higher interest rate on your cash balance. Does M1 Plus affect transfer fees? The answer is no. M1 Plus does not change the fee structure for ACH or ACAT transfers. The fees remain the same, regardless of whether you're an M1 Plus subscriber or not. Now, let's talk about the context of M1's overall fee structure. M1 is known for its commission-free trading. This means that you can buy and sell stocks and ETFs without paying any trading commissions. This is a significant advantage, especially for those who trade frequently. However, commission-free trading doesn't mean fee-free everything. As we've seen, there are fees associated with outgoing ACAT transfers. And there are other potential fees to be aware of, such as fees for paper statements or return checks. It's also worth noting that M1 Finance's Pi-based portfolio system is a unique feature that sets it apart from other brokerages. This system allows you to create a portfolio of stocks and ETFs, and M1 will automatically rebalance your portfolio based on your target allocations. This is a powerful tool for long-term investors, but it's essential to understand how it works and how it might impact your fees. For example, if you're frequently changing your Pi allocations, you might trigger more trades, which could indirectly impact your overall costs, even if you're not paying direct commissions. Another aspect to consider is M1's borrowing feature, M1 Borrow. This allows you to borrow money against your portfolio. While this can be a useful tool, it's crucial to understand the interest rates and the potential risks involved. Borrowing against your portfolio can amplify your gains, but it can also amplify your losses. Ultimately, whether M1 Finance is the right platform for you depends on your individual needs and investment style. If you're a long-term investor who values automated investing and commission-free trading, M1 can be a great option. However, if you're someone who frequently transfers assets between brokerages, you need to factor in the outgoing ACAT transfer fee. And here's a final point: always read the fine print. Brokerage fee structures can change, so it's essential to stay up to date on the latest fees and charges. You can find this information on M1 Finance's website or by contacting their customer support. In conclusion, M1 Finance does not charge fees for ACH transfers or incoming ACAT transfers. However, they do charge a fee for outgoing ACAT transfers, typically around $100. Always remember to check with your current brokerage for any fees they may charge. Understanding these fees is crucial for making informed investment decisions. It's about maximizing your returns and minimizing your costs. It's about taking control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.